Good morning, Namaste. I am Pooja Bhandari, educator from EKLAVYA School, Jalandhar. I attended a CBSE workshop on cybersecurity and safety on 28th May 2020. The resource person was Miss Neetu Grover. Today, I am here before you to share my valuable experience that I have gained from the workshop. Now to begin with, what is cybersecurity and safety? Fundamentally, cyber safety focuses on people, while cybersecurity involves information. Cyber safety uses technology to help protect the physical and emotional well-being of people. These tools focus on protecting users from viewing explicit or violent content on computer and from bullying and other inappropriate behavior. Whereas cybersecurity protects infrastructure such as networks, computers from cyber attacks. Cybersecurity solutions help users to protect their sensitive information such as social security numbers from hackers. So, how to stay cyber safe? I will make you aware with some of the best practices that I have learned during the workshop that will help to be safe from cyber threats. Now, the very first point is that keep your devices secure and up to date. Whether you are using computers, laptops, then install latest operating system and browser on your computers. Turn on automatic security and install antivirus on your computers. Secondly, secure your identity, guard your privacy. That means use a strong password for your accounts. To create a password, you can use uppercase, lowercase and special symbols to create your password and to make your password strong. And never share your password with anybody and never try to type your password in front of anybody. Now, for children, if they are downloading some useful apps, then they should make sure that they are downloading only those apps which are related to their studies. They should not click on any irrelevant links that are not useful for them, because that might carry virus and the virus can come in your computer and it can corrupt your laptop and your computer. Next, respect the privacy of others. That is, we should respect the privacy of others and we should also have privacy settings on our accounts also. Next, the children should make sure that they are not playing any app that is not under their age. Now, download only those software that are from the trustworthy sources. Now, social media connects millions of people all around. So, here, don't try to be in connection with strangers. Only have a connection with the people you know. If you find any kind of irrelevant content on the internet, then you have the option to report the problem. Now, there are numerous sites, so here I would like to mention one of the site, that is cybercrime.government.in. I am repeating, cybercrime.government.in. So this is the website that you can log in, and if you feel like any issues, if your account is being hacked or if there is any such kind of problem, then you can concern this website. So here I have discussed some of the valuable points and I hope they will help you out in assuring the cyber safety. So this workshop gave me a chance to refresh and revise my knowledge, and I thank the authorities for giving me a chance to attend the workshop. Thank you and have a nice day.